Oral sex healthy or not? Thoughtful faith. Oral sex, when practiced consensually between adults, is generally considered safe in terms of not transmitting sexually transmitted infections, STIs, when compared to some other sexual activities. However, there are some important factors to consider. Consent. As with any sexual activity, it should always be consensual, with both partners willingly participating and comfortable with the act. STI risk. While the risk of transmitting or contracting STIs through oral sex is generally lower than through vaginal or anal intercourse, it is not risk-free. It is still possible to transmit or acquire certain STIs, such as herpes, gonorrhea, syphilis, and HPV, through oral sex. Protection. Using barriers like dental dams, condoms, or latex gloves can reduce the risk of STI transmission during oral sex. These barriers create a protective layer between the mouth and genitals, decreasing direct contact. Oral health. Good oral hygiene is essential, as certain STIs can be transmitted through open sores, cuts, or other wounds in the mouth. Be cautious if you or your partner has any oral health issues or visible sores. Regular testing. Regular testing for STIs is a responsible practice for anyone sexually active, regardless of the type of sexual activity engaged in. This helps identify and address infections early. Pregnancy risk. It's important to note that oral sex does not result in pregnancy, as it does not involve the exchange of reproductive fluids. Personal comfort. Some individuals may not feel comfortable with oral sex, either giving or receiving. Communication with your partner about your desires and boundaries is essential. Overall, the decision to engage in oral sex should be based on personal preferences, consent, and awareness of the associated risks. If you have any concerns about STIs or sexual health, it is advisable to consult a healthcare professional or a sexual health clinic. Safe sex practices, open communication, and regular STI testing are key components of a healthy and responsible approach to sexual activity.